The honorable judges, ladies and gentlemen, when we think of the word creativity, we often picture a skilled artist, such as a painter drawing a scene or a musician writing a new album. But today, I want to tell you that the greatest canvas of our era, the 21st century, isn't paper. It is a screen. And the tool for painting on this screen is not watercolor. It is the English language. Before I move on, it is a pleasure to stand here and discuss this with you. My name is Muhammad Taufiq Alhakim and I'm from the 7th Vocational High School of Semarang. Ladies and gentlemen, today I want to appreciate the world of engineering with the language of code, creativity in our modern era. Ladies and gentlemen, we are living in a digital revolution, right? Where every app on your phone, every game you play, and every website that you visit is a work of art. But not like a painting that you hang on a wall. This art interacts and solves problems. And here's the key secret. The foundation of this digital art is English. Let's imagine that you have a brilliant idea for an innovation, something new maybe, to build an application that helps Indonesian farmers check the weather. But to create it, you need logic, you need documentation. You'll have to read forums like Stack Overflow or GitHub to solve the bugs that may come your way. You need to watch tutorials that are widely available in English. There's this syntax that is most common in programs. We use the word if when we are trying to make a possibility. If you want to command machines, if you wish to bend technology to your will, you must speak the language of the machine. We will inevitably encounter English as part of our work. Where is 90% of that information located? It is in English. And if you're fluent in English, the entire library of the human technical knowledge is in your hands, ladies and gentlemen. And if you are not, you are locked out of the room where innovation happens, limited to what you understand. In AI, for example, when you use a prompt, an AI understands many languages. The most precise and creative results are obtained when you prompt in English. The majority of the knowledge it uses is from the internet, which is in English. It has become the bridge between human creativity and the artificial intelligence that we create. Remember, technology is borderless. Creativity in the tech world requires collaboration. We may be from Indonesia, but how about our team, our customers? What language connects us with them? English. If you limit your language, you are limiting your market. But if you express your creativity through English, your local idea can become a global solution. Gojek, the on-demand transportation app, started here. But the technology to operate across countries, the power is the speaking of standard. So ladies and gentlemen, we need to stop thinking subjects like English just to pass school. Thinking of it as just grammar or vocabulary. Think of English as your source code. It is the key that unlocks the internet for you. Think of it as the power that lets you build the future in the world of technology and globalization. Being a customer, you can use any language. But if you wish to be a creator, an innovator, you must master the English language. To learn it, not just to speak, but to build, to think in English. Learn it not just to pass a test, but to invent. The future is in your code, our code, that will be written in English. So let us all start building. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for listening.